Here is how to set up the Phantom wallet on desktop step by step. First, open Google Chrome, Brave, or Microsoft Edge and go to the official website phantom.app. Click Download. Then choose your browser to install the Phantom extension from the Chrome Web Store or the equivalent. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, click the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and choose Create New Wallet. Set a strong password and agree to the terms. You'll then see a secret recovery phrase, 12 words that are a backup key. Write it down and store it in a safe, offline place, never share it with anyone. You can now send, receive, and store Solana NFTs and Solana-based tokens, and connect to Solana dApps right from your browser. This is how to set up Phantom Wallet on desktop. Secure, simple, and DeFi ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.